Glas ydw i, hoia! Ninja D ydw i, hoia! Meistr Cymraeg ydw i, hoia! Ninjas Cymraeg, ysgol yr enw Sanctaidd ydyn ni.
Rydym ni'n gweithio trwy ddydd i'r wella'r Cymraeg
Yn y dosbarth a tu allan o dosbarth.
ein mission yw'r ddatblygu iaith Cymraeg yn ein ysgol ni achos
Mae siarad Cymraeg yn cool, mae siarad Cymraeg yn hwyr,
mae siarad Cymraeg yn bril
ac mae siarad dwy iaith yn sgil. This year, our objective was to develop the use of the helper headroom. Every class had a helper headroom, but it wasn't always being used in the best way to help us practice and improve our Welsh language skills. Miss Richards met with Miss Catherine Phillips and the idea of Ninjas Cymraeg was born. She kindly went away and prepared some amazing resources for us. Soon after, the resources arrived at Crew Cymraeg meeting was called, and we worked together to prepare the resources and displays ready to introduce the idea of Ninjas Cymraeg to the rest of the people.
Before that is Ninja Cymraeg chooses a coloured headband. The bands are levelled with the ninja being the most basic level and the Meistr Cymraeg being the most advanced level. Each ninja has a series of jobs to do throughout the day. The more advanced the ninja, the more jobs they are expected to do. As well as a series of duties to complete, the ninjas are expected to lead a playground game and a session driller. This is an opportunity for everyone to practice their Welsh.
At the end of the day, the Ninja Cymraeg is awarded with some certificate and dojo points, provided they have completed all their jobs. The more advanced the ninja you choose, the more dojo points you get. The Ninjas Cymraeg have helped us to improve our confidence and the amount of Welsh that we speak throughout the day. It has also helped us to achieve many targets in the Arian Siarter Iaith. This is what some of our classmates think of Ninjas Cymraeg.
Ti'n mwynhau bod yn Ninja Cymraeg?
Dwi'n mwynhau Ninja Cymraeg achos mae'n cool a mae pobl yn siarad Cymraeg mwy.
I enjoy being Ninja Cymraeg because it's fun and it helps me improve my Welsh.
Dwi'n hoffi Ninjas Cymraeg achos you can get lots of dojo points.
My favourite headband in Ninja Cymraeg is the Meistr Cymraeg achos mae'n ddoniol. The reason it's my favourite is because of all the challenging tasks you have to do to complete it.
Dwi'n hoffi Ninjas Cymraeg achos dwi'n hoffi session drilio. Y holl session drilio ydi
Diolch am wrando a cofiwch, mae siarad Cymraeg yn cool, mae siarad Cymraeg yn hwyr,
Mae siarad Cymraeg yn bril
ac mae siarad dwy iaith yn sgil. Hwyr fawr!